Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading all the newspaper article. This is our today article. GDP growth at 6.5%, the slowest since pandemic. Declare growth while an uptick in economic activity in the fourth quarter of financial year 25 pushed GDP for the full year. This is the slowest rate of growth since the pandemic year 2021. The charts show India's quarter-wise real GDP growth rate in percentage between financial year 19 and financial year 25. In a growth scale environment, India is holding up its growth number better than other. V. Ananta Nageshwaran, Chief Economic Advisor. Through real GDP growth in quarter 4 accelerated to 7.4%, the fastest quarterly growth in 2024-25. It was still slower than 8.4% in quarter 4 of the previous fiscal. Quarterly GDP growth in quarter 3 stood at 6.4%. TCA Sharad Raghavan, New Delhi. While a significant uptick in economic activity in the fourth quarter 4 of the financial year 24-25 pushed growth domestic product GDP growth for the full year to 6.5% as per the provision estimates for 2024-25 released by the government on Friday. This is the slowest since the pandemic year 2020-21. As per data released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, real GDP growth in quarter 4 of 2024-25 accelerated to 7.4%, the fastest quarter growth in the year. It was still slower than 8.4% growth seen in quarter 4 of the previous financial year. Quarterly GDP growth in quarter 3 stood at 6.4%. India had its own Chief Economic Advisor V. Ananta Nageshwaran in a press briefing following the release of the data source to downplay the post-COVID slowdown of the economy, saying that India has had its own in a growth scale global environment. If you look in real term, India's growth rate differentially in comparison to the average growth rate of advanced economics was on the lower side during the boom era between 2003 and 2010. Mr. Nageshwaran explained the growth differential post COVID is higher than the growth differential in the boom era. In other words, in a growth scale environment post COVID, and despite the rising uncertainties due to political conflict and trade tension, India is holding up its growth number better than many advanced economics. He added, the agriculture sector continued its strong performance in quarter 4, leading to a relatively strong showing for the full year. The manufacturing sector growth stood at 4.8% in quarter 4 of financial year 25, the second fastest quarter growth in the year, on a high base of 11.3% in quarter 4 of the previous year. The sector grew 4.5% in full financial year 2024-25. The construction sector returned to double-digit growth to 10.8% in the fourth quarter, the fastest in the year and faster than 8.7 seen in quarter 4 of 2023-24. The sector full year growth stood at 9.4% in 2024-25, down from 10.4% in 2023-24. The data released on Friday showed that growth in household consumption quickened to 7.2% in 2024-25, from 5.6% in the previous year. This is image. Beached box. A container from MSC SC Elsa third that sank off Kochi being retrieved by the team of experts at Venakudi near Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu on Friday. This was a second article. Trump's tariffs stay for now after court reprieve. Agency France Press Washington released this article. USA President Donald Trump celebrated a temporary legal win as a court preserved his aggressive tariff triggering mixed mixed reaction on Friday across jittery financial markets. The short-term release will allow the appeals process to proceed after the USA Court of International Trade, where most of the tariff announced since Mr. Trump took office, ruled on Wednesday that he had overstepped his authority, welcoming the latest twist in legal skirmishes over his trade policies. Mr. Trump lashed out at the Manhattan-based trade court, calling it horrible and saying it blockade should be quickly and decisively reversed for the good. Asian share fell on Friday, reversing a rally across world market the previous day as the judiciary were wrangling around Mr. Trump's on again off again tariff and uncertainty. Paris, London, Frankfurt were all in the green as EU trade chief Maro Sefcovic said following a call with USA Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick that the bloc was fully invested in reaching a deal with the USA. Mr. Sefcovic could meet his USA trade counterpart in Paris next week on the sidelines of Organizations for Economic Cooperation and Development Ministerial meeting. And EU officials said talk with China. USA Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said on Thursday that trade talk with China, the hardest hit by the tariff, were a bit costly. Mr. Trump might need to speak to President Xi Jinping in order to iron out tariff between the world's two biggest economies. White House spokesman Caroline Leavitt told press person that the judges who blocked the tariff bravely abused their judicial power to usurp the authority of President Trump. Ms. Leavitt said the Supreme Court must put an end to the tariff challenge while strengthening that Mr. Trump had other legal means to impose levies. Mr. Trump's trade advisor Petri Navarro told the press person after the appellate stay that the administration had earlier received plenty of phone calls from countries who said they will continue to negotiate in good faith without naming those nations. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.